Let's unbox the Scorch Marker heat gun together. Once we get the box open, you'll find 4 items inside. We first have the tip or the nozzle, then we have the power cord, we have the heat gun itself, and a detailed set of instructions. Let's set the box aside and take a look at what we have. First is the power cord. This is your standard American 110 volt plug. Once you unwrap it, you'll find that one end goes into the wall and the other end goes directly into the heat gun. That little tab right there will actually lock it in place permanently. This is the heat gun itself. It's 1500 watts. It has our logo on it. We love the way that it turned out. And the tip affixes to the front of the heat gun just like this. This will make things more accurate, easier. Now let's get the power cord plugged in. You'll match up the tabs, give it a firm push, and it will lock into place permanently. Now the heat gun has 3 settings: off, medium, and high. Make sure you consult the manual so you can see the temperature ranges of each. Never touch the tip under any circumstances. It gets very hot. This is how the heat gun should be sat on the table when you're not using it. We'll read through the instructions to make sure that we understand everything there is to know about this product before we use it, and we'll be off to the races. Please note, this heat gun will smoke on its first use. Don't be alarmed. The smoking will go away after you've used it 1 to 3 times. Hope that helps.